Today we'll be doing a hair tutorial. Hello everyone, this is Jessica from Non-Sweet. Today we'll be doing a hair tutorial of hairstyles inspired by Japanese idols. They're easy to do and also dance friendly. So the reason why I came up with this topic today is because the weather's been getting warmer lately in Vancouver, and usually that means that conventions and music festival would start happening if the pandemic didn't happen. And we'll be doing live performances, so we'll be singing live and dancing on stage, and I always have a hard time figuring out what do I want to do with my hair. Because my hair is long, and on one hand I don't want them to get in my face while I'm dancing, and on the other hand I still want to look cute on stage. And honestly, nothing's worse than having a piece of your hair cling onto your face while you're on stage performing, and then you do a band and snap, and the only thing to snap was your rationality because you can't fix your hair or you ruin the flow of the show. So all the hairstyles that I'm doing today are personally tested by me while dancing, and also they're really quick and easy to do. I will be leaving my hair straight for this video, but if you're feeling extra fancy that day and you want to curl your hair, you do you, and just, whatever makes you feel happy. So without further ado, let's get started! So the first hairstyle that I'll be doing is the half up half down twin tail. It's pretty simple. You just section your hair and tie two antennas on top, add some cute bows, and you're good to go. I've seen a lot of Japanese idol wearing this hairstyle, and if you've been following J-pop idol groups for a while, you probably know AKB48, and Mayuyu is one of the popular members who always wear this hairstyle. If I'm not dancing, I would wear longer earrings to go with this look. I actually made these pink earrings myself, and I think they look really good with my sweater. The next hairstyle just built on the first one. Instead of twin tail, you could roll your hair up into two tiny buns and make it look like you have teddy bear ears. Because it's for dancing, I would roll up my bun really tight, so no matter how much you shake your head, it won't fall apart. I'm putting on these black and gold bowls that has elastic behind. They were initially wrist cuffs for Lolita, but I ended up using them more often as hairpiece. I like to wear earrings when my ears are showing, so I picked my blueberry cheesecake earring this time because I like the combination of purple and black. If you do this right, your hair will be very secure even you shake it a lot. The only drawback for this hairstyle would be if you do a hair flip, there's a chance that some pieces will hang onto your bun, but it's better than getting hair on your face in my opinion. The next hairstyle is a high pony. High pony is very clean and makes you appear really energetic. For this one, you first tie up a ponytail, and then you take a piece of hair from the bottom and braid it. I will be doing a bit of a twist to it by wrapping a tiny braid around it because I have a lot of hair and I need thicker and stronger elastic to hold everything in place. And sometimes I want to hide the elastic or just make things a bit more interesting. After you tied your braid, you could loosen it a little bit to give more volume, and then you can wrap it around your hair elastic and pin it down with bobby pins. Because this hairstyle is so clean, I don't want earrings that dingle dangles, so I picked this chunky earring made with dried yellow roses. The yellow roses makes me look more cheerful and lively in my opinion, and I think this look really suits summer. The next hairstyle looks kinda cute and funny at the same time, but I wear it pretty often. First, you need to part your hair slightly off-centered, and then take a small section and then tie it into a small antenna pointing the opposite direction, slightly off-center as well. This alone is pretty cute already, but I like my hair to have more volume, so I would take a hair clip that pops open like this and clip it right at the root of my antenna. As the clip flattens your antenna, it looks like there's more hair, and since the decoration on the clips are big, it fills the gap that's underneath your antenna and trick your human brain into thinking that there's more hair underneath. And because the hair piece is so big and eye-catching, I picked a simple and small earring to go with it. But it's still sparkly, so when I move, it will draw attention back onto my face. The next hairstyle is a low pony. You're probably thinking, yeah, I know how to tie a low ponytail, and why do you need to put it in a tutorial? Well, it's because the position of the ponytail actually matters. A lot of people might tie their low pony right at the bottom of their hairline, but that actually makes you look really tired. The good spot to tie your low pony should actually be slightly above the bottom of your ear, and ideally it should form like a diagonal line connecting your chin to the bottom of your ear and to the ponytail. I used to think that low pony is kinda lame, but I recently changed my mind. If you go onto my Instagram, you'll see me wearing this hairstyle more often because 1, it's super convenient, 2, it looks clean and sophisticated. After you're done tying your hair, you could pull some strands a bit loose to create more volume. And my choice of hairpiece this time is a clip with pearls and gems on it, and I picked the chunky gem earrings to match with it. The last hairstyle of the day is twin buns. I find it really cute, and it can also make your face look smaller. You first tie 2 high twin tails, and since it's the base to our bun, it needs to be really sturdy. You can try shaking or even headbanging to test it. If it stays in place, you're good to proceed to the next step. And in the next step, you want to roll it up in buns and secure with lots and lots of bobby pins. I'm not super picky about my buns not being symmetrical. It's because when you put your hairpiece in, it's actually not as noticeable. So once you have your buns, you can now clip on ribbons like that, and it would look really cute already. But when I go on stage, I want people to see my bowls clearly. When you clip on ribbons like that, the ribbon usually ends up facing upwards to the sky, so the audience only get to see the side view to your ribbon, and it's not as exciting in my opinion. And how I solved this issue is that I actually changed the clip of the ribbon to just a bobby pin, or if you have it at home, a U-shaped pin. I made these ribbons myself long time ago, and I attach a bobby pin to the middle part of the ribbon, so when I stick the pin into my bun, I'll get the ribbon to face front. I was having a hard time picking out earrings this time, but I decided on something small and flat because it won't break the triangle that I try to create. If you draw lines connecting my chin and my 2 buns, you see a triangle pointing down, and I feel like it would make my face appear smaller. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful, and if you like this video, make sure you click like buttons and also comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have all our social media links in our description box. Make sure you check out our Instagram. Not only we have a group Instagram, our individual member also have their own Instagram, so you follow everybody. We also have a really cool Patreon that has a lot of exciting rewards as well as a lot of exclusive posting about our upcoming music release, which is hopefully gonna be soon. So a lot of exciting things are happening, so keep your eyes out on all of our socials. As always, stay awesome. We'll see you in the next video.